Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and as you can probably see, I have two products out now. One is the Simplistic Mobility Method, so if you're incredibly broken, if you struggle to squat, if you can't get your arms above your head, if you have aches and pains all the time, that's where you want to go first and get that down. It's the combination of all the exercises together at the same time is where the magic happens. So as you know, I post a lot of free content. It's doing all the stuff at the same time that makes the difference. So if you're incredibly broken, Simplistic Mobility Method. If you feel like you're starting to move quite well and you're feeling good, then end range training is how you can really start to step things up and really start to strengthen yourself a lot more and move your joints in the right way. Even just the banded core movement day is a phenomenal thing to add to anybody's training, like anybody at all. Whenever someone who's a specialist in something comes to me with specific problems, that is generally the stuff that I will give them, and it will always make them feel a lot better. So that alone is worth getting it for. So two things. Simplistic Mobility Method, end range training. If you're incredibly broken, can't squat, can't deadlift, can't do any of that stuff, that's what you want to go for. If you're feeling like you can start moving quite well and you're feeling pretty good and you want to step up your game, then end range training is for you.